The ruffled onesie you see for this upcoming project actually will use the ruffler or the gathering foot, plus the narrow rolled hem. So if you're not familiar with these, go back and look at our Meet the Feet playlist and pick up on those skills first. To create this ruffled onesie, you will need a few simple supplies: your sewing machine, a narrow roll hem foot, a ruffler or gathering foot, onesie or a toddler t-shirt, wash away blue pen marker, a clear ruler, matching sewing thread, 2 strips that measure 3.5 inches by 60 inches in length, scissors, and pins. If you like to pin everything in place before you sew, then certainly you will want to use pins. I hate pins, so I avoid them. However, feel free to use them as you create your own ruffled tee. Use the narrow roll hemmer and finish the long strip edges. Take the wash away blue pen and mark guidelines, one at the waistline and another 1.5 inches below that waistline mark, and begin sewing your ruffle to the lower marking first. We're using a zigzag stitch to attach. We are also folding under as we begin the ruffle, and we will fold under again as we end the ruffle, and you will see me do that. As I am stitching the ruffle on, I am also stretching the t-shirt, giving it more of an elastic feel to it. Perhaps you've noticed that I have removed the tray from my machine and I'm using it as a free arm. I'm going to repeat the same process to the top ruffle by sewing it from underneath using that zigzag stitch. I will again, when I get to where it begins, fold under and then sew it with a nice straight stitch. And I'm showing you where that is. The free arm allows me to slide the t-shirt on. Results are so adorable and it's so easily made. I really had fun showing this to you and hope you will enjoy it too.